So, what exactly are you going to learn in this course? Well, let me start by saying this isn't a content calendar. It's not a step by step script template, and it's not another personal brand formula. This is deeper than that. What we're going to teach you is a method I've used with my clients, high level entrepreneurs, creators, coaches who were tired of feeling disconnected from what they were putting out. They didn't want to fake it anymore. They didn't want to sound like everyone else. They just wanted to speak from the truth. So I created something called Regression Thinking Framework. It's a way to go backwards, not for nostalgia, but for clarity, to understand the moments in your life that shaped you, to find your real stories, the ones that give weight to your words and the ones your audience will actually feel. Because when you speak from lived experience, not from theory, people lean in. They remember, they trust. This is why storytelling works, not as performance, but as pattern recognition. We're finding the patterns in your life and using them to power what you share. In this course, you'll learn how to map your life in 5-year chapters, how to use dictation to unlock your natural voice, how to uncover emotions through lines in your story, and how to shape those insights into content that actually connects. This isn't about trying harder. It's about remembering better. And when you do that, your message becomes undeniable. That's what we're doing here.